Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing this makeup right here, and this is a very beginner friendly makeup look, and I've kept it simple, I've kept it natural, and I've more focused on skin today. As you all can see, the base has turned out to be really flawless, and yeah, and I've also done like a dual eyeshadow, sort of a thing. So people who struggle with eyeshadows and find it very difficult to what shadows should we pick and how the blending can happen, this is a perfect beginner makeup. So if you want to know more about it, please keep on watching. To start with, I'm using a moisturizer from Clinique. It's called the Moisture Surge. A good skin prep is a must before you apply any makeup to your face. It helps your makeup to last for a long time. For primer, I'm using Photo Finish Minimize Pores from Smashbox. Now this is a very nice primer. It directly targets your pores and evens out your skin tone. I'm applying this to my T-zone area as I have maximum pores there. Primer is a non-skippable step as it acts as a barrier between your makeup and skin. Using MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC35, it immediately corrects all my pigmented areas on the skin. Using this super plump lip treatment from Clinique to keep my lips plump and moisturized throughout the makeup. For foundation today, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC20. Now this is exactly my skin color as it blends beautifully with my skin tone. Thing with everyday makeup look is less is always more. So the pro tip here would be take your foundation in small quantities, blend it nicely, and then see if there is any need to apply more foundation for the coverage. Since I'm skipping eye primers here, I'm just brushing the leftover product on my eyelids as well so that I don't get that cakey effect. At the same time, it appears to be a nice base for my eyeshadow. The best part about this foundation is it is from medium to buildable coverage. Never forget to apply foundation on your neck and ears. Always make sure that your face matches to your neck. MAC Studio Fix foundations are 24-hour wear foundations, so they are perfect for everyday wear as well as for heavy wedding functions. To highlight my under eyes, I'm using MAC Studio Fix 24-hour wear concealer in the shade NC30. As the name suggests, this is a 24-hour wear concealer. A lighter color concealer is used on the high points of our face to highlight. It also helps in bringing dimension to the face. To set the concealer in place, I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC25. For bronzer, I'm using MAC's bronzing powder. It is in the shade Bronze. Using Pinch Me from MAC, my go-to blush for that nice flush of color. Another pro tip here, before using your highlighter, always set your face. I'm using Bobbi Brown's setting spray here. Once your face is set, the highlighter always pops out. I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter here, my all-time favorite highlighter. It is a nice champagne color. Since this is a dual tone eyeshadow look, I'm using MAC's Rose Gilded palette and using these two shades right here. I'm simply taking this nude color and placing it all over my eyelid. Now taking a nice shimmery color and placing it right at the center of the lid and blending the edges. Now just add your favorite mascara. Mine happens to be Too Faced Damn Girl. It is a beautiful mascara as it gives nice volume to your lashes. At the same time, it gives a fuller look. Now I'm repeating the same steps for my lower lash line and sort of connecting the upper lid. To finish the look, I'll be mixing two lipsticks today. The first one is Babe Alert from Smashbox. Second one is More the Mehrar from MAC. Finishing the look using Bobbi Brown setting spray. And ta-da! This is how the makeup looks in natural light, you guys. And this is how it looks in a studio light. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this look. Until next time, bye bye. Love you all.